All right, guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Let's get started in about 10 seconds. We're doing an overhead weighted crunch. Lay down on the ground, hands behind your head, and just crunch up. Remember, at all times, keep your lower back pressed to the ground, and let's go. 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. Keep it up. Leave that weight behind your head and crunch up. Beautiful. About 25 seconds left. Keep that back flat to the ground. If you have to, bring your legs up a little bit. That helps you to keep the back flat. Five seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, from here we are going to an overhead sit-up. Once again, you can keep your legs straight. You can curl them up a little bit. Keep that weight pointed towards the ceiling at all times. All right, 3, 2, 1, and sit up and back down. Try to keep this weight pointed towards the ceiling as much as you can. Nice and controlled. 30 seconds left. Keep it up. Twenty seconds. 10. Stay here. 5. Let's do one more. 3, 2, 1, and you can relax. All right, from here we're going to an isometric V hold. As much as you can, keep that weight right here and just hold it. I'm gonna do the best that I can. See if I can find my balance. See if you can do the same. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, weight up and hold. And just hold it. 45 seconds, guys. That's all we got. Hold it up. Lean back as far as you can. Keep that balance. You have to be more flexible than I am. If you are, straighten those legs all the way out. 30 seconds left. Stay right here. Hold it. Stay with me. Just relax. You have 20 seconds left. We got this. We got this. Don't let those legs drop. Fight gravity. Come on. Keep the weight pointed towards the ceiling. We got less than 10 seconds left. Stay with me. Stay with me. Hold it right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. From here, we are going to do a little Russian twist. We can't have an ab exercise without doing the Russian twist. Hold your dumbbell, and we're just going to roll it back and forth. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You can keep your legs down like this, and just keep going. You can keep your legs up like this, and keep going. Your call. Down. Or you can go every 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and up for 5. 1, 2. It's really up to you. And down for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to challenge yourself, push it all the way to the end. You have less than 20 seconds left. Keep those legs up. Keep going, guys. 10 seconds. Keep rowing. Keep rowing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and weight down. All right, let's get into a plank position. We're gonna do a dumbbell test under. Just gonna leave the dumbbell on one side, drag it over to the other side. You guys ready? In 3, 2, 1, give me a plank. Grab the dumbbell, put it on the other side. Same here. Just keep on going, 45 seconds. Put it way outside your body, so you really have to reach for it. Keep going. How much time we got, Lou? About 20 seconds. 20 seconds, guys, keep it up. We're doing great. Keep it here. Keep it steady. Keep it nice. Keep it going. 3, 2, 1, and relax. What does the board say? The board says hand to toe, right side. I gotta make sure I got enough room. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna raise the dumbbell up. Right hand, left foot. Ready, go. I'm good. If I hit something, can't be any worse than hitting the ceiling a couple weeks ago. I know I'm not gonna hit the ceiling from here. Keep it up. Keep that lower back as tight to the ground as you can. Keep pressing, keep pushing. Stay with me. 20 seconds, guys. Keep it up. Bam. Let's go. If you're new to Fit After 50, welcome. I hope you're enjoying this workout as much as the rest of us are. As much as that I am. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Let's do one more. And weight down. Guess what? We're doing the other side. Weight on the other side. I gotta give myself room. Make sure I don't knock into the wall. We get going in 5 seconds, guys. Here's 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Twenty seconds left. Stay here. Keep it up. Keep coming. Come on. 10 seconds. Stay with me. 3, 2, 1. Last one. And weight down. What are we doing here from here? What does the board say? The board says we're staying right on the ground. We're doing the hollow body isometric hold. Woo. Weight behind you. Lift it off the ground and keep your legs up. Facing is the position we're gonna take. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go, and hold it. Press that back into the ground as much as you can. Fight it. Fight it with me. Oh, my head dropped. I'm not supposed to drop my head. Come on. 30 seconds left. We got this. Just hold that weight right here and just hold it. Fight it, fight it, fight it. 20 seconds, guys. Stay here, stay here, stay here. Come on. 10 seconds left. Keep fighting, keep fighting. 5. There's 3, 2, 1. Woo! And weights down. All right, guys. We have a surprise at the end. We're almost done. We are going to do a 2-minute plank. You guys ready to go? Do the best that you can. I'm going to do the best that I can as always, right? 3, 2, 1, and plank. And we got 2 minutes. We can relax. We can chill. We have time. Plenty of time. I can barely look up and see how much time there's left. Can I see in the mirror? A little bit. Well, it is what it is. Stay here with me, guys. We have 90 seconds left. No, we have more than 90 seconds. We have 100 seconds left. Paul sweats, Paul can't think. You guys know the rules. So anyway, I just want to say thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50, guys. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. So if you're enjoying this workout and enjoying this plank hold, when we're done in about 80 seconds, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and give me a big old thumbs up. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but lately in my descriptions, I've been having affiliate links to Amazon. It's the equipment that I use either in these workouts or just around my house. So if you want to go check it out, please do me a favor and do so. I get a little tiny cut from anything that you purchase. Actually, I get a little tiny cut from anything that you may purchase, even if you don't buy the things there, just by entering Amazon through one of those links. So anyway, that's enough of advertisement for me, guys. We got 50 seconds left. Keep holding it with me here. Stay with me. 45 seconds left. We got this now. It's a piece of cake. Just concentrate, relax. Tighten the abs, relax everything else. And just stay with me. Probably at this point, there's only about 30 seconds left. Things are starting to jiggle, at least for me, a little bit. It's getting tough, but it's okay. The ground is not that far away. How far can we fall? 6 inches? So don't fall. And if you do, it's not the end of the world. 20 seconds left. Stay here. Come on, stay with me, stay with me. Less than, what we got? 10 seconds, guys, 10 seconds. We got this now. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. There's 3, 2, and 1. Boom. And we are done with our 10-minute dumbbell core workout, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. Like I said, my name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. All the workouts come from my basement. I'll see you guys during the next workout. And yes, they do come out every Monday and every Thursday. See you guys later. Thanks for joining me.